Having trouble sticking with the paleo diet? Warning. There's just one reason you might fail on the paleo diet, and it has everything to do with your ability to make delicious food, fast. But now, with this stunningly simple cookbook, I'll show you how to cook savory, mouth-watering meals in minutes for some of the busiest paleo eaters in the world. Fellow paleo friend, let's get serious for a second. You're here because you already know that the paleo diet is a great thing. We both know that there's no other diet on earth that delivers so many across-the-board health benefits without calorie counting, hype, gimmicks, or anything like that. In fact, paleo is not really a diet at all. It's really a return to the type of eating your body naturally craves and was designed for. And that's why it works. It's based on how we humans evolved for literally millions of years. The paleo diet and similarly, the paleo recipes you're about to discover work by two fundamental principles. 1. Put maximum nutrition into your body, and 2. Reduce or eliminate toxins and interference. The first one is obvious. Natural foods from the plant and animal world, especially when organic and untouched by the horrors of modern food production and manufacturing, are loaded with essential nutrition. The second principle is just as fundamental, but less apparent. It means that when we avoid toxins hidden packaged/processed food, and the many hidden toxins in commercial meat, fruits, and vegetables, our bodies begin to clean out and detoxify. This allows our cells to expend less energy in actually fighting off foreign substances and more on rebuilding, growth, and rejuvenation. Why most people fail to stay on the paleo diet? Now, given the amazing results and all the buzz about eating this way, you'd think it would be a breeze to start on it, right? Click on link in description for more information.